Hi dear, a very good morning to you all. How are you all? All are fine. I'm happy to hear that from you all dear. Had your breakfast? Safe at home? Super dear. What are the daily morning practice? Yes, weather chart, self-introduction, roots, phonics, action words, D words, remark skill and reading express. I hope you are practicing at home, no? A big teddy bear for you dear. So today shall we start the rules? Yes. Rules. Walking in the line. Talk softly. Raise your hand to talk. Keep your hand ourselves. Share our things. Wait for your turn. Thank you. Also practicing at home? Yes, I love you dear. Today shall we start the classroom session? Yes, today day is what dear? Yes, today day is Monday. What is the numeral day dear? 9.11.2020. So write the subject, write the topic. Yes, N to W words. Very easy, no? Already we have seen N to R words, right? Shall we go for the recap? N say nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. O say octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. P say pumpkin. P-U-M-P. K-I-N. Pumpkin. Q say queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R say rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Like this you split and read. Okay dear. Next R after what alphabet letter will come? Yes. S A S socks. S O C K S socks. S O C K S socks. T say turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E turtle. U say umpire. U-M-P-I-R-E umpire. U-M-P-I-R-E umpire. Where you can see the umpire? Yes, in the correct dear. Cricket game. We say violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. W say walrus. W-A-L-R-U-S. Walrus. Again read. W-A-L-R-U-S. Walrus. Now we have finished the word M to W words. How many times each? 2 times. Next we are moving for the activity. Yes dear. Now we are going for the activity time. What activity time? Yes, shape activity. See, already we have seen so many shapes. Last week what shape we have seen? It has 7 sides, 7 corners, 7 edges. If you know the answer, share it in the Google Classroom. Now shall we go for the shape activity? Yes. What shape this is? See, shall we count the sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? It has 8 sides, 8 corners, 8 edges. Then what shape? Yes, the shape name is octagon shape. Octagon means 8. Octagon means 8. Very good dear. So it has 8 sides, 8 corners, 8 edges. So what shape? Octagon shape. Octagon shape. Octagon shape. So now these are the some example for the octagon shape. See dear, what is this plate? What shape this is? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What shape? Octagon shape plate. Next, what is this? Clock. It has how many sides? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 sides. Then clock, what shape? Octagon shape. Now take your activity note. Ask your papa, mama to draw the octagon shape in the activity note and write the topic octagon shape. Yes. Color inside with a green color and pick any one related object, draw near to it and tell and color octagon shape. Octagon shape. See dear, the coloring should not come outside. Okay. Now we have finished the activity time. Now we are going for the CBC words. Yes dear, this is the time for language time. Today in the language time we are going to see the CBC words. Can you remember what is CBC words? Yes, very good dear. What are the vowel letters? Yes dear, what are the vowel letters? In the alphabet letters? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters in our alphabet letters. Okay dear. Yes, today we are going to see 4 family. ED, egg, EN, N, EG, egg, ET, egg. So these are the 4 families. Shall we frame the CBC words? Yes. ED, egg. Where you go to sleep? Bed. Egg, bed. Yes. Egg, red. Next. Egg, leg. Next, what family we are going to see? N family. Which help you to write? N, pen. It's a hen. N, men. Next, can anyone tell me one example for ENN? Yes dear, very good. One of your friend given me the answer. 2N, 10. Next, what family we are going to see? EG, egg family. Yes, which help you to walk? Egg, leg. Egg, bag. Egg, peg. These are the example for egg families. Next, we are moving to what family? ET, egg family. Yes. L say egg, led. Egg, mat. Egg, net. Next, egg, wed. These are the some example for these family. With this example, we are going to do the doing the activity in which book? Yes, worksheet. Take your worksheet. Take your worksheet. Volume. Yes. Block number 20. Go to the page number 27. S2.1. Words with ED, ed and ENN. Write the date, today's date. And name the picture and write the words. So you should identify the picture and that picture should end with what letter? Yes, whether it ends with ED, ed or ET, ENN. For example, what picture this is? Bed. In which column it will come? N or ed column? Yes, bed, ed column will come. Take it and write it here. So like this, you finish this worksheet. Write one more ED and EN word in the table. So you have to write one more word belong to this family and write the word. What is this? Den. Yes, you have to write DEN. You have to fill the D. D say den. Next, go to the next worksheet. S3 word with the EG and ET. Write today's date. We have already seen some example, right? So same as it is first page here. So you have to identify the picture and sort each picture which CBC words it will come. For example, leg. Which family it will come? EG egg family or ET egg family? Yes, E.g. egg family, leg. Like this, you have to sort all the picture in each column and go to the second one. Write one more E.g. and E.t. word in the table. So you have to write one more word. Okay, for each family, write the word. So see the picture. What that man is doing? He is baking. So what letter will come? B. B is a B. B egg bake. So finish the worksheet and writing time and activity. Take the photocopy. Send in the Google Classroom. Until bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.